Hello and namaste to everyone. I hope everyone is doing great out there and welcome to Hamal's kitchen. Today I'm making simple, quick and easy egg Schezwan fried rice. So let's start the cooking process. Heat the oil in pan. Add chopped garlic. Fry for a few seconds without burning the garlic. Then add whole beaten egg, scrambled, and cook it fully done. Now I'm adding here cooked short grain rice because I like to use short grain rice for fried rice, but use any rice you prefer. Now add some mixed peas and carrot, followed by Schezwan sauce. I have already uploaded the recipe of Schezwan chili sauce. If you want to watch the recipe, please click the link on the screen. Add some salt to taste, soy sauce. Mix everything together and stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Whenever you are making any dish influenced by Chinese cuisine, try to cook it on high flame and you will see the difference. Also, those who do not want to use an egg in their rice can avoid an egg and make Schezwan vegetable fried rice instead of making egg Schezwan fried rice. Oh, it smells so heavenly. Now, add some green onion, mix it well, and with this, our spicy egg Schezwan fried rice is ready. Please leave a comment for the next recipe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.